Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really useful tool for traders, the Standard Deviation indicator on TradingView. If you've ever wondered how to incorporate volatility into your trading strategy, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up the Standard Deviation indicator on your charts. So, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up your TradingView chart. If you're already logged in and have your chart ready, great. If not, take a moment to pull it up. Now that you're looking at your chart, let's bring in the Standard Deviation indicator. Look towards the top of your screen, and you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu filled with all sorts of tools and indicators. In the search bar at the top of this menu, type in Standard Deviation, or simply STDDev. You'll see it pop up in the list below. Click on the Standard Deviation indicator to add it to your chart. Easy, right? Now that you've added the indicator, let's customize it a bit to fit your needs. Hover over the name of the Standard Deviation indicator you just added, and you'll notice a little gear settings icon appear. Click on that icon to open the settings menu. Here comes the fun part. You can modify some main parameters to tailor the indicator. Let's start with the length, or period. It usually defaults to 20, which is a common choice, but feel free to adjust it based on your trading strategy or the time frame you're analyzing. Next up is the source. This is typically set to the close price, which works well for most traders. However, you can explore other options if you want to analyze different aspects of your data. Now, let's talk about style. This is where you can get creative. You can change the color of the lines or adjust the thickness to make sure it stands out on your chart. Choose something that's easy for you to see, especially when you're analyzing your trades. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and customized the Standard Deviation indicator on TradingView. This powerful tool will help you assess market volatility and make more informed trading decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, so let me know how you plan to use the Standard Deviation indicator in your trading. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your trading skills. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.